Forget the hassle of complicated setups. The Naturehike Snap Chair unfolds automatically in just 1 second. Simply take it out and you're ready for camping. Instant comfort, anytime, anywhere. Weighing only 3 pounds, it's ultra-portable, yet packed with features designed to enhance every adventure. With a simple press, the Snap Chair opens and locks automatically. Strength meets innovation. Built with 7,075 aerospace-grade aluminum, the Snap Chair is 1.5 to 2 times stronger than standard aluminum, supporting up to 330 pounds effortlessly. Its patented X-frame support design offers unmatched stability compared to flat-frame chairs, keeping you rock solid no matter where you sit. Designed for ultimate comfort, the wide seat accommodates cross-legged sitting, while the semi-reclined backrest supports your body in all the right places. Whether you're leaning back or sitting upright, the Snap Chair makes relaxation effortless. Also with anti-sinking feet, even in rough terrain, so you can enjoy the view. Compact and lightweight, the Snap Chair is the perfect companion for any adventure. Because the simpler the setup, the better the experience. Whether you're fishing, exploring, or camping, the Snap Chair takes up minimal space while delivering unbeatable comfort. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, it's built to handle any adventure. Its thoughtful design ensures maximum convenience without compromising strength. Join us on Kickstarter and support the next evolution in outdoor seating. Any adventure, any journey, any escape. Naturehike Snap Chair is always ready.